Hey guys, it's Nolan here. I just wanted to let you know what I've been up to. So I've been working on this little TJ 2006. It's got aftermarket, I think it's a 4-inch lift, Steinegger long arm kit, and it's got this rough country tie rod and drag link kit, if you will, on there. And I had first fired it up, got it running and everything. Had a bad death wobble issue. So I wanted to let you guys know how I fixed it, and it's quite simple. It's just as simple as this, alignment. It was towed in about 3/4 of an inch, which is way too much. The factory spec is 1/8 to 1/16 of an inch, I believe. So I adjusted my toe, so it's pretty close, and death wobble practically gone. I mean, non-existent. I can go as fast as the Jeep goes, and nothing. So quick little video here just to kind of let you guys know, because a lot of people just throw parts of these things. I mean, they're thousands of dollars into trying to fix death wobble, and it could be as simple as alignment. Just my fix. Hopefully that helps you guys out. I'm going to post a couple videos of what it was before and then after I adjusted the alignment there, and go from there. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, subscribe, and please share. Thanks again.